What's up, guys? Isaac here. Behind us we have the LX600 Overland Expo build for 2023. So in just a couple minutes we're going to do a quick walk around of this rig. Let's get to it. On the front here you're going to have an ARB front bumper specifically designed for the LX600. Again, this is a Land Cruiser, right? In every other country besides this one. So they built it as if it was a 300 series Land Cruiser. So come around to this side. Awesome lighting. You got Icon wheels, 33s, Total Chaos suspension, rad flow. You've got some rock rails, but also sidestep action. Kind of a 2-in-1, which is great. Of course, Prinzu Design roof rack, which if you're gonna do it, you might as well go with that one. I don't even know what tent this is, 23-0, super cool with the 23-0 awning. Come on to the back. This is brand new from what we've been told. This is the new CBI rear bumper, all new for LX600. The fit and finish is great. Let's dive in a little bit on this. As you can see, they maintained a lot of like that factory look, and especially on the side wings, they literally went down, angled it with the slope of the body lines. Which is cool. Like, you don't see that a ton, but when you're dealing with a Lexus, you have to build it right. Like, you have to have those body lines. You can't just slap on a rear bumper like you can on a 5th gen 4Runner. So goose gear back here. Looks like there's a lock and roll hitch here, which would make sense. I think this is the trailer that it was pulling in some of the promos that we saw. Of course, you've got the awning, you got the camp chairs, you got the Dometic, you got the Dometic water filtration system. So overall, fun truck. I personally, David too, like we're Land Cruiser people, right? Through and through. So to see a LX600 build, it's like it feeds us. It's just cool to see, especially you don't see very many of them. You know, we've seen Lexus do some LX570 stuff. We've obviously seen some really cool 2 and 300 series builds over the years, but an LX600. Props to Overland Expo for diving into the Lexus LX600 and not just choosing
the luxury overland scene.
The luxury overland scene. There you go. You nailed it. So thanks for watching and see you next time.